Lifting slider beam. The LOBO System's lifting frame can be assembled using any size of LOBO trestle legs and adjustable sway braces. LOBO beams can be integrated into the LOBO system. There are 5 different lengths to correspond with 5 low board lengths. Insert the lifting slider beam into the top clamps and raise to the required height using the adjustable sway braces fitting using low bands to ensure the system is rigid. Outriggers and extensions can also be used to stabilise and increase the lifting height of the frame. Load calculations and stability assessments must be performed each time the beam is used. This ensures overloading and instability does not occur.